Okay, I'll try this again. Oh, okay. Just updated it. Love is burning so bright. It has set the forest ablaze. Oh, wait, there we go. Guys, the volcano's back. The volcano's back. The volcano's back. Guys. Oh my god, the volcano's back. It's my first time seeing it. Oh my god. Wait, return. Oh my god. Wait, I want to see the new cosmetic. This is so exciting. I'm already so excited. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, let's go. Wait, did they add a GT free badge? Or did they add party fingers back? Oh my god, they had GT free badge. Okay, yeah, I need it. Oh, I lava you? Oh, this is so cool, actually. Let me see how shiny it looks. Okay, yeah. Daily tree. Daily tea. Oh, that's... Oh, daily tea is some... So, like, they added new... Let's see. Well, this is cool. Please tell me I can actually buy something, though. Oh, I can't buy that. Okay, free badge. Dang, I can't buy it. I'm gonna probably buy some shiny rocks. Whoa. Oh, wait. I want to see if they changed up. Did they delete everything? And oh yeah, they did. I want to see if they changed anything to rotating. They might have, because there's something about the rotating map. Did they change it? I just want to see if they changed it. Don't mind the background music. Not music, but sound. Let's see. Oh, they didn't change it, but like, it looks like it's updated. Like, they like updated it. Because like, I don't remember this at all. This is cool. Well, I'm gonna try out some public lobbies. Let's go see up some public. Oh yeah, they finally made it sunny. How come I'm just noting that now? No, not noting, noticing. Okay, let's go check out the new update. Okay. I want to try out forest. Let's go into forest. I'm so excited to try out the new volcano mode. Let's go. No, oh, I hate this. I just hate, that's the one thing I hate so much. I want to try out the volcano mode. I'm too new to be able to try it, but it just looks so fun. Oh yeah, some guy, I seen a video. Yeah, I'm gonna get the GT free in these matches. I want the GT free. Yes, I need it. Please, get me it. Love, yes, I need it. Now, whoa, wait, what? They blocked off second floor? Let's say under construction. Oh, I'm pretty sure they're gonna open this. Okay, that's my new guess, that they're gonna open that. Okay, let me go into some Publix. Let's hope no one's see. That's like, gosh. Let's go. Faction 1. Okay, let's go see. This is so cool. This is my first time ever seeing this. Oh god. How? Oh god, this guy is so good.
Hey man.
Oh, hey! I will give you pizza cakes if you come here.
I'm not running at all. I'm only okay. Okay guys, well I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe. Bye.